RefluxRaft. This stuff is awesome. This is called, I forget how to actually say it. It's like an Alginate or whatever, but it's for reflux. It's basically supposed, they call it raft, but basically it creates like a raft on top of your stomach to keep the acid down. I've been using this for years. I have silent reflux. I had it for about 3 or 4 years, tried everything. And usually this is like, I try everything else. And then usually what I do is I come back to something like this. There's a couple companies that make this, but this stuff's awesome. It tastes really good as well. That's the one thing I really like about it. I'll sort of show you what it looks like. I keep them in there, but you know, I'll show you. I have taken this. It's very good. They make they make a bunch of different types, but this is the nighttime one, which is good for night because if you have a big meal and you go to bed, that's when the reflux really messes you up. This has melatonin in it, so it allows you to sleep along with keeps the reflux at bay by creating that raft on the top of your stomach to keep all that acid and pepsin down in your stomach where it's supposed to be. This isn't my only thing I use for reflux, but it's definitely like one of the things that, you know, as you go through the reflux life cycle of trying to figure out how to manage it with different drugs and things like that, this is something you're definitely going to eventually use, and it's going to work. Again, this is usually when the reflux is getting out of control for me, I usually reach for this. It's not an everyday thing. It's kind of like the last resort, but usually this is the part that helps me get over the hump along with, you know, basically diet and kind of keeping stress down and things like that. But yeah, I highly suggest it. It tastes really good, no issue.